Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Ford Fiesta 1 litre titanium. This is a 125 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in magnetic grey metallic paint. You've got the chrome grille, LED daytime driving lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, chrome trim running along the door tops, 16-inch alloy wheels, front near side, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey pattern cloth upholstery with white stitching. Into the rear passenger area. So you've got room for 3 passengers in the back of the car. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Manual rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the back of the car, you've got rear parking sensors. And inside the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. And this car is equipped with the inflation kit with the expanding foam. Moving on to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the front electric windows. This car's also got electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box, and inside the storage box there's a USB plug-in point. This car's done 38,138 miles. The centre console, you've got the controls for the eco mode. You can turn the traction control off, and you also can deactivate the stop start. 6-speed gearbox, another USB plug-in point, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, heater control with dual climate control, touchscreen media system, so you've got full screen navigation, home page with the audio, you've got AM, FM and DAB radio, you've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, you've also got hands-free phone operation, control on the end of the indicator stalk for the lane departure. You've got cruise control and speed limiter. Then you've got the controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Leather steering wheel with white stitching. Identification plate that tells it's the Fiesta Titanium 1 litre EcoBoost, 125 PS, and it's a Euro 6 engine. Moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.